card and the internet also in the 569 lock. First of all, you will press star hash. Here this is Chinese. First of all, you will put simply finger 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will press the 6-digit password. Let's suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Now here simply you will press 4, again 4, then 2, again 2 and back. This is now the language change. You will come back simply. Now this is the Chinese finish and now the English coming. Now first simply you will press star hash. Here we will press 1 hash. Here now coming the option. You can see finger, password, key, card, everything. If you want to press 1 for the finger, for the managing, this is press 1. Press 1. You will press here finger. Again. Now my finger is added. If you want to add, simply add the, for the user you will press 1. Again same, you will press 1. You will press hash even. You can put the user finger. After simply 4 to 5 times fixing, after the finger will be added. Same procedure for the card, same procedure for the password. If now you want to connect the Wi-Fi with the application, you will press star hash. Okay, you will give your password or your managing finger. First let's suppose I keep the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now here you will see, here coming the option for the card system setting. Press 4. Here coming the, here press 3. Here the coming the option for the app net. You will press 3. Here app net, you will press 3. Again, you can check here application coming 3. After it will be start the search for the application.